no smoke. You niggas don't want it. I can't go, won't go. Won't leave my mama lonely.
Destiny already knows the answer to that.
What is it?
Laurel.
Laurel? What do you hear?
Yanny.
I hear Yanny.
You hear Laurel?
Yes.
Oh my god. She needs to do her eyebrows. So someone just told me that if you hear Laurel, your ears are more mature.
And if you hear Yanny,
Where the fuck your brows
then you're
are?
a child. You're doing that, man.
Suck my dick hole. Yeti. What's up, vlog? Crazy shit happened yesterday. Not going in detail. Catch me a PE talk about that shit already.
Do you have anything to say?
There's nothing that you can't do.
That's
If you
a
want
lie.
to kill someone, go for it. It's not that hard.
Are you okay? Okay. You make my vlogs better, man.
I do.
Your hair more purple
Then what?
before.
Yes.
Is your hair shorter?
I mean, yeah, sure.
I know. I just needed vlog content.
Hey, how about my heart?
Depression game.
Whoa, 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 yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Fuck the vlog.
Yeah. Ooh, whoa, yo, whoa, whoa. Don't.
Vlog takeover. Sienna during PE part 4. Here we go again. Wait, was I supposed to do vlog? I can't hear. Everybody talks, yo.
Dude, you said blog.
I just need a GoPro in my life and I'll be fine. Hey guys, look. Come on, Johnny.
No one wants you, fucking dad.
Okay, I'm looking shiny. So this is my PE uniform. Pants, jacket, racket. Okay, I'm gonna go now because I'm playing tennis. Bye. Oh, okay.
I'm gonna go outside and then I'm gonna jump from it. A lot of gang shit. Oh my god.
Do it again. Do it again. It wasn't. It wasn't.
No, Brittany can. Brittany can. Only Brittany. You got to choose on Brittany. Brittany. Take it out.
Come on, whip. Ow. Down.
Shoot. Shoot fly. Brittany, you chose Brittany.
Okay.
First time. I heard it say Yanny for the first time.
Jasmine, what did you find on your jacket?
I don't know.
Show it.
Here, you can have it.
I don't want it. Any words?
I hate this school. It's Lucas's fault. It's all Lucas's fault.
Why?
I don't know. Nothing. Probably bird poop.
No.
So now we're walking.
Boys rule, girls rule.
Where are we going? Oh, we're going to the dairy.
We're here.
So we're at the
We're
dairy.
here. Wait, no. You're gonna get flagged. You're showing a limb.
Don't. So first of all,
Sorry, you know what that means.
I dropped my phone and I cracked it
A lot.
a lot. 2, a bird pooped on me
Bird.
on my jacket, and so like that's bye bye.
Threw it away.
3. What was my third thing? Oh yeah, someone went into my locker and stole my pens and pencils. They only left like the ugly colors.
I'm scared. I don't like that.
Say bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Good luck, Charlie.